Fall is the season for adding warm spice blends to almost everything we eat and drink. Every commercial eatery seems to have something with pumpkin pie spice. But what about apple pie spice? What's the difference? Actually, there is a slight difference between the two versions. While both have a concentrated cinnamon flavor, apple pie spice has significantly more nutmeg flavor, while pumpkin pie spice seems a bit mixed on the combined ginger and nutmeg side. At least that's how my recipes differ. Like with pumpkin pie spice, there are no apples harmed in the making of apple pie spice blend. It's called apple pie spice because it contains typical spices used in making apple pie. The most basic apple pie spice is cinnamon and nutmeg. That's it. With that, let's check out my apple pie spice blend. For the ingredients, you'll need all ground spices to include cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, ginger, and cloves. In a small bowl, we're going to measure out 24 grams, which is 3 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. And this is Ceylon cinnamon, the preferred what they call true cinnamon. To that, we're going to add 7 grams, 1 tablespoon of ground nutmeg, 4 grams, 2 teaspoons of ground allspice, 3 grams, 1.5 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 2 grams, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. With a spoon or a whisk, go ahead and blend, combine all of the ingredients together. You want to break up any lumps or masses, particularly from the ginger or the nutmeg, and stir it well. This recipe makes 1/4 cup, which is 4 tablespoons of apple pie spice mix. You want to transfer your spices to a spice jar or a container that has a tight fitting lid. Now your spice mix is ready to use in whatever recipe you would like. Just seal it and it's ready to go. You could store apple pie spice blend in a sealed container for up to a year or based on the shortest expiration date of the oldest individual spice in your blend. Add this apple pie spice as you would a commercial version in a 1-to-1 ratio in your favorite recipes that call for apple pie spice. Sprinkle it over your breakfast, oatmeal toast, eggnog, coffee, apple cider, mulled wine, or hot chocolate. Add it to spice nuts, seeds, roasted fall vegetables, and of course, don't forget to spice up your pancakes, waffles, or muffins. If you have kids with sensitive taste buds, you may only want to include cinnamon and nutmeg. As long as you have cinnamon, you can add or subtract any of the other spices. Enjoy playing around to find the exact recipe that fits your needs. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. Until next time, spice up your life and go bake the world.